A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pavan Kumar. Today is the 7th lecture of chapter 6 application of derivative. In previous lecture I have already discussed exercise 6.2 numericals and examples related to exercise 6.2. So today lecture I will discuss topics tangents and normals. So let us start with tangents and normal topics. See here. So now I will come to the topics. First of all, topic is tangents. Tangents. Class, first of all I will discuss about tangents. What is tangent? Tangent is a line that passing through single points lies on any curve. Means how you can say, suppose y is equal to fx be any curve, y is equal to fx be any curve represent in xy plane, and p be any point, p be any variable point lies on the curve such that p coordinate is x1 comma y1. So now any line that passing through these points or touches the curve, suppose this is the line, L, that passing through single point lies on the curve, or we can say the line touches the curve, then this line is said to be the tangents. So how will you define the tangents? It is a line, it is a line passing through single point, you can say P from figure, x1 comma y1, lies on the curve. Means tangent is the line that passing through single point lies on the curve, and single point is given, that is p coordinate is x1 comma y1. Now come to the definition of normals. What is normal? Come to the definition of normal. The line perpendicular to the tangent passing through the point P, that coordinate is x1 comma y1, is known as tangent, sorry, normal. Normal. So we are going to draw the normal. Say this is the line perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the same point. This is the line perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the same point. This is known as normal. So from figure it is clear that what is tangent and normal. So from figure you can say tangent and normal are always perpendicular to each other. So what is the node point? Node point is node point first. Tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. Tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. It is clear? Then what you can say about their slopes? What is the relation between their slope? These two lines, tangents and normals, are perpendicular. So the product of their slope will be equal to -1. So second point, the slope of tangent into, suppose slope of tangent, that is m1, into slope of normal, that is m2. When you will multiply their slope, you will get the result -1. So there are 2 points here, and you can write also, suppose this is the line L1 and this is the line L2. L1 is tangent and L2 is normal. The line L1 is making an angle of θ1 with the positive direction of x-axis, and the line L2, that is normal, that's making an angle of θ2 with the positive direction of x-axis. Now you can say what will be their slope? The slope of the tangents, that will be m1, and m1 you can say tan θ1. So m1 you can say tan θ1. Similarly m2 you can say tan θ2. So m1 into m2 is equal to -1. When you will multiply, you get the result. So this is the definition of tangents and normals. Now come to the topic, equation of tangents and normals. Equation of tangents and normals. Say here, second topic is equation of tangents and normals. Now see, now second topic is equation of tangents and normal. Equation of tangent and normal. So first of all, I will draw the figure. I will draw the figure. This is the xy plane, and we have considered y is equal to fx be a function. Suppose y is equal to fx be a function. let y is equal to fx be a function represent in xy plane, represent in xy plane, and P be any point lies on the curve having coordinates x1 comma y1. Suppose P be any points. This is the point P. Any point lies on the curve having coordinates x1 comma y1. This is point P, and we have to draw the tangents. We have to draw the tangents. So we have drawn the tangents that passing through P. So coordinates any P be any points lies on the curve having coordinates P bracket x1 comma y1. Then draw the tangents. Draw the tangents through P as shown in figure. Let this is a tangent that making an angle of theta 1 with a positive x-axis. Suppose this line tangent is making an angle of theta 1 with positive x-axis such that the slope of the tangents. What you can say about the slope of the tangents? Slope of the tangents that is m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Suppose equation 1. And draw the normal. Normal will be perpendicular to the tangents. This is the normal. We have drawn the normal that is perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the same points P. So similarly you can say draw the normal through P. That is making an angle of theta 2. Suppose the normal is making an angle of theta 2 with a positive x-axis. With the positive x-axis, then such that the slope of normal that is m2, suppose m2 you can say tan theta 2. So we have shown the slope of tangents and slope of normal. This is the slope of tangents through P, tangents through P, and this is the normal through P, tangents through P and normal through P, and both are perpendicular to each other. So come to the next steps. The derivative of function, since you know the derivative of function is always equal to the slope of the tangents at a given points. So what you can write? See here, since the derivative of a function, function means fx is here, so you can say dy by dx is always equal to the slope of tangents at a given point. Slope of tangents at a given points. So now you can write dy by dx at P is equal to slope of the tangents at a given points, that is tan theta 1, slope is tan theta 1 and this value is m1. So consider equation 3. Now you know tangent is a line, and this line is passing through the points x1 comma y1, and slope is m1, that is tan theta 1. So you can write, since tangent is a line that passing through P having coordinates x1 comma y1, and making an angle of theta 1 with a positive x axis or slope m1. So now you can find the equation of line, and equation of line is same as the equation of tangents. Therefore equation of line is equal to the equation of tangents through P. So what you can write? You know the equation of line passing through a single point having slope m1, that is y minus y1, because passing point is x1 y1 coordinate, so y minus y1 is equal to m1 in bracket x minus x1, and you know m1 is equal to, from equation 3, that is dy by dx at P. So this equation can be y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at P x minus x1. So this is the equation of tangents. Equation of tangents through P. This is the equation. So now see again. We have write, you know, the equation of tangents passing through a single point having slope m1. कोई भी लाइन है अगर वो किसी एक सिंगल पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है और उसके स्लोप्स गिवन हो, देन हम इस इक्वेशन से, इस फॉर्मूले से उस लाइन के इक्वेशंस को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 4. एंड यू नो वैल्यू ऑफ m1, अभी मैंने m1 की वैल्यू बताया है कि tan θ1 एंड स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट्स दैट इज इक्वल टू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन dy by dx एट p हमने यहां पुट कर दिया. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट्स, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट्स थ्रू p. सो नाउ दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट्स. Now come to the equation of normal. So class, you know the slope of the tangents and also can find out slope of normal. So both are perpendicular to each other. So how you will calculate slope of normal? Since tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, such that m1 into m2 is equal to -1, and m1 value, you know, dy by dx at p into m2 is equal to -1. m2, you know, the slope of normal. So m2 is equal to -1 upon times dy by dx at p, -1 upon dy by dx at p. This is the slope of normal. Slope of normal. Now how you can find out the equation of normal? Similar way, the normal is also passing through points P1, P, x1, y1 coordinates. So normal is a line. Since normal is the line passing through P1, P, x1, y1, and a slope is having slope 1 upon times means -1 whole upon dy by dx at p, dy by dx at p. Therefore equation of normal, what you can write? You know, normal is the line that passing through points P having coordinates x1 comma y1 and slope is theta 2, means the slope formula is slope is minus 1 upon dy by dx at P. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at P into x minus x1. So this is the equation of normal. This is the equation of normal. See again. Normal is the line that passing through P having slope. Here we have to write slope. Having slope is minus 1 upon dy by dx at P. So equation of normal भी एक लाइन की तरह है. नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन हम लोग लाइन के इक्वेशन की तरह ही निकालेंगे. सो y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 अपॉन dy by dx एट P. सिर्फ स्लोप यहाँ पे चेंज हो रहा है और पॉइंट तो सेम है. दोनों पॉइंट से टेंजेंट्स और नॉर्मल, एक कॉमन पॉइंट से टेंजेंट्स और नॉर्मल पास कर रहा है. सो x माइनस x1, y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 अपॉन dy by dx एट P इंटू x माइनस x1. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. Now tangents, equation of tangents and normal are completed. So now come to some important points related to tangents and normals. Now come to the topic, some important points related to tangents and normals. Tangents और normals से related some points यहाँ discuss होगा. So first point is a line L is, or slope of line you can say, slope of a line L is denoted by m and defined by m is equal to tan theta. This is the exact definition of slope of line. Suppose x and y axis, x और y दो एक्सिस ले लेते हैं, पॉजिटिव x और पॉजिटिव y. इंटरसेक्शन इसके ओरिजिन होते हैं एंड कोई लाइन L कंसिडर कर लिया, कोई लाइन L, और सपोज ये लाइन x एक्सिस के साथ थीटा डिग्री का एंगल्स अगर बनाता है, देन स्लोप ऑफ लाइन हम लोग कह सकते हैं, वी कैन से द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन m, लाइन L, दैट इज m इज इक्वल टू tan theta. Now come to the second point. Slope of a line इसको L1 कंसिडर कर लेते हैं. स्लोप ऑफ लाइन L2 पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. Slope of line L2 parallel to x axis. Suppose a line L2, this is the line L2 that is parallel to x axis. ये कोई लाइन L2 है जो कि x axis के parallel है. In case the line L2 will be making an angle of theta is equal to 0 degree. Theta is equal to 0 degree. विद द पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस, जो एंगल मेजरमेंट होता है हमेशा एक्स एक्सिस के साथ होता है. सो द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन L2 पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस मीन्स थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री. Therefore m will be equal to tan of 0 डिग्री, और इसकी वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी. tan 0 की वैल्यू 0, इट मीन स्लोप इसका क्या हो जाएगा, कोई भी लाइन अगर एक्स एक्सिस के पैरेलल है, कोई भी लाइन अगर एक्स एक्सिस के पैरेलल है, इन केस उसके स्लोप क्या हो जाएंगे, 0 हो जाएंगे. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट, द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन L3 parallel to y axis or परपेंडिकुलर टू एक्स एक्सिस, एक्स एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर हो. सपोज ये कोई लाइन L3 ले लेते हैं. This line L3 is perpendicular parallel to y axis, ट्रिपल एरो शो किया, and perpendicular to x axis. Then the line L3 is making an angle of theta is equal to 90 degree. So what you can say about their slope? Slope of line L2, L3. इसको हम लोग M1, M2 और M3 डिफरेंट तरीके से डिनोट करते हैं. M3 इज इक्वल टू tan ऑफ थीटा, यहां थीटा की वैल्यू जो है वो है 90. सो tan 90 वैल्यू नॉट डिफाइंड. सो यहां पर M3 जो होगा वो नॉट डिफाइंड होगा. M3 नॉट डिफाइंड. नाउ सपोज slope of a line L4 making an angle of 45 degree with a positive x axis means थीटा इज इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री. सपोज एक फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं. L4 एक लाइन है जो मैंने यहां ड्रॉ किया है. L4, द लाइन L4 इज मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ थीटा इज इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री. सो व्हाट यू कैन से अबाउट दियर स्लोप? सो M4 अगर स्लोप करें, कंसिडर लाइन L4 का, तो M4 इज इक्वल टू tan of 45, this is 1, tan 45 value is 1, so M4 is equal to 1. So this is the special case we will use in question. See, now topic is totally completed related to tangents and normals.